Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platform, which is Linux Mint and Pop OS. So let's quickly dive into it, help you decide which of these distro would be a better choice for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint in 2025 is one of the most easiest Linux distro for beginners, offering a familiar window-like desktop, great stability, and a pre-installed essential like codec and drives. It's lightweight, reliable, and backed by a strong community. The downside is that it's based on Autumn TLS, so updates come slower and it lacks cutting-edge features. Talking about Pop OS, on the other hand, is built for power users, developers, and gamers with excellent NVIDIA AMD GPU support, tailoring window management, and fast update. It delivers a modern, high-performance experience. However, it can feel heavier on system resources and a bit more complex for absolute beginners. So, in short, Mint Linux is the best for simplicity and everyday use, while Pop OS wins for performance and advanced workflow. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.